Hey everyone, today I want to show you how I cook long bean curry. Here I already cut them and I already washed it. Over here I'm going to put tofu in it. I'm also going to put tofu in it. Over here I have my tomatoes, parsley, green pepper, celery, red pepper. Over here in my pan I have a little bit of oil. I'm going to add in my spice. This is my spice box. Turmeric powder, about a teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder, and give it a good mix. I'm also going to put some hing powder. After a few seconds, you want to go ahead and add in your fresh celery and parsley and tomatoes in here. I'm going to close this for about a minute. Okay, so after 2 minutes later, you want to go ahead and add in your long bean, and also I cut a potatoes. I'm going to put everything in here. You want to cook this till the long bean gets softened. As soon as it's finished, I'm also going to go ahead and add my salt and pepper. About a teaspoon of chili powder and salt according to your taste. And we're going to go ahead and cover it. So after 2 minutes later, you want to go ahead and add in your tofu that you fried earlier. Give it a good mix. Stir it well, cover it, and then let it cook. Okay, so my long bean is finished. My long bean curry is finished. These are tofu, potatoes, and long bean. If you like this video, click a thumbs up and thank you for watching.